In here. They turned out in force. Sign. Down there at the bottom. Thank you. Can you breathe in there, gentlemen? You can't have very much room. Hey, wait a minute. Captain, we're unarmed. Why are your men pointing guns at us? What do you want with this man? I have business with him about his farm. At this time of night? And in full force? I do business at any time I choose, and I prefer to ride in company. Is there a law against it? None of that is on, sir. Now, may we have the honor of conducting you back to Cantana? Or do you prefer to stay and discuss farming with Gonzales? Let him go. I don't understand. The man was expecting him to come about the farm, and apparently he did come about the farm.
2 o'clock in the morning. Maybe they came to murder Gonzales, but somehow spotted us.
They were unarmed. Now, it's not
You don't
like
have to be armed to kill a man. Certainly. What's this? Well, there's your explanation, Father. Francisco Goya's dead. Who? The boy who brought you Anacleto's message.
Francisco.
Yeah. So it wasn't G for Gonzales after all. It was G for Goya.
I'd forgotten his name was Goya. I always thought of him as Francisco. What happened?
They say he must have been walking in his sleep. Fell out of a window of the hotel. I can kick myself all around the town.
Oh, Father, up here.
Someone get that
Thank God you've come, Father.
It's poor old uncle. He's dying.
Please.
I'm dying.
I'm here, old uncle.
Give me a priest.
I'm here. This man's just drunk. You know that, don't you?
Drunk? But he kept saying he was dying and asking for you.
There are times when a man needs a priest even if he's not dying. Where's Anacleto?
Oh, he won't be back for hours.
Listen, Father. I must confess before I die. I must tell you that you're not dying. But I can't hear confession in your present state. But you may tell me anything you please.
Tell him about Maria, Uncle.
That's a good story.
Give it, George! You're a dying man.
See, I always had this. I was cried once. Did you know that? Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle. 3 times the Sanctus, eh, Father? That's right, is it? Quite right, huh? Listen, Father. You know what I am. I know.